and today I'm here in our Seattle distribution facility to kick off a new light that I'm really excited about. It's our CTB-6 multi-bar 4x4 full spectrum, really commercial grade grow light. And when I say that, I mean it's truly rugged. This was designed by engineers here in the US, actually over in Spokane, who also designed some of our grow lights. They sourced the highest quality components when they made this light. And now let's take a look at the CTB-6 and what comes in the box. Comes with a power cord with a 222/40 volt plug and then a 110 volt adapter plug if you're going to be running it at home. Then it comes with an RJ12, RJ16 style light-to-light dimming cord, which just plug and play to any TrollMaster controller. This particular light is very different than anything else you're going to see coming on the market today because of the way this driver box was assembled. It's all components, really easy to get into. And there's 3 separate drivers inside. Each of these are slightly lower watt drivers than you would find in a single 660 watt light. They're designed to address different colored diodes in the light. They're made by a factory called Lifud, which is excellent. And everything in this is really well thought out. There's rotary dimming, and when it's turned all the way up, the 660 watts of power becomes 720 watts of output. The frame is really easy to install. It just folds open. And then when you take a look at the diodes, they are conformally coated. It takes about maybe 3 minutes to assemble this thing. Really high quality commercial grade light that I know you're going to be really happy with.